Okay, in the last session, we learned about how to create model. In this session, we are going to learn how to extract the data from model. For extracting data from model, we can use two type of method. First is ORM method and second is SQL query method. But as we know that Django provides the feature ORM method, that is object relation mapping layer method. So this is very easy way to extract the data from databases. So we are going to use ORM method here. So we can use the ORM method in our views.py file. So in the last session, we also learn about to use the function based view and also class based view. So in this session, we are going to use the both. So to first of all, we have to import the model. Let's say from dot. As I told you, that dot means that is foreign directory import, and the model name is student. Now we can use we can give a variable name. Let's say my variable name is object, and in the ORM method, the first we have to extract from our model, and the model name is student. Student dot object dot all. That means this is our ORM query, and this query means like student dot objects dot all means all the data from student table with extract, and that will be extract to the this object variable obj variable. So in this case, that's a I can like say that let's say data equal to my object. Okay, so I can pass here this data to uh, this like say I can pass as in context data. So here I can do, so I can do like this, uh, data equal to object. Okay, now what I can do, I will save this. Okay, and now this is my in data.html file. So you have to find the templates. It's my data.html file. And inside the data folder is this is my data.html file. So here my data is, let's see the how many data is present inside the student table. So there is one data is present, that is student object, which is the name is Jami, age is 10 and grade is 5. So in the case of let me open my code. That is, let's open the URLs, and the home is, this is the home function based view, and the path is home. Let's open the path, localhost 8000 slash home. Now you can see that the content data is in the query set format, but we have to extract the data from query set format. So for that, we have to use some Jinja logic here. That Jinja logic, you can say, inside the curly braces and inside the percentage sign. Then you have to input the logic for, let's say, I in data, and if you start the Jinja logic, then you have to end the Jinja logic as well as end the loop, and you can start with the curly braces and double percentage sign and for. Okay, so and inside this curly braces you have to pass the I, and I is our here, I is the extract the data. This is our loop, and the I will be here the loop, and I is the data is here. Now save it and refresh the browser again, and you can see the student object one. Okay, so now we can do that. I can pass the student name, that is I dot name. Say student name. Let me copy and paste it three times because there are three columns in the student table. Okay, there's a student age, student grade. You can pass the I dot age then I dot get. Now save it. Now again refresh this browser. Okay, as you can see that student name is Jami, student age is 10 and student grade is 5. Okay, so now I can do one thing. I have to add the another student. Let's say student name is, let's say, uh, Dev, age is, let's say, 12 and grade is 7. Now save it. Now you can refresh the table, refresh the browser. As you can see, here that is there is another that is student Dev, age 12 and student grade is 7. Okay, so if you want to give in order wise in the table, then you have to work with the HTML page here. Let's say I can say use here the uh, list method. List will be to list in here. I think that should be inside this. By the way, I'm not very good in HTML, so you can expect these things from my side. Okay, that's perfect. So now as you can see that student name is Jami is 10 and student page is 5. Okay, so this is the how we extract the data from databases. So in the views.py file, so we can also do the same things in the class-based views as well as. So let me copy these things and paste it inside this get method here and pass the object here, and whenever the data will be called, so it will be called is automatically. Okay, so these things is the ORM method, that here like model, then objects and all. Okay, in the next session we are going to talk about the how to filter the query and how to get the queries, so and how to sort the queries using the ORM method. So in this example we'll learn about the basic things about how the ORM is work. All right.